Hi everyone, welcome back to Lyrical Crafts. If you're new here, I'm Lyric and I'm all about helping you build and grow your online business. Today we're diving into something super exciting. How to integrate Printify with Amazon so you can start selling your custom products on one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need an account on both Printify and Amazon. If you don't have your Printify account set up, head on over to printify.com and set up your account. Once you have your Printify account set up, you can head on over to Amazon Seller Central and sign up for your Amazon Seller account. Since this is a little more complicated, I will walk you through all of these steps to set up your Amazon Seller account. Before you sign up, Amazon does offer two plans, one a basic plan and the second an upgraded plan. The basic plan is free, but the upgraded plan is $39.99 a month plus selling fees. And in order to integrate your Printify account, you do have to have the upgraded account. To get started, you can use an email or phone number already associated with your customer account, or you can create a whole new account dedicated to your Amazon seller account. The next step is to enter in your business information. Unfortunately, right now, this is only available for US sellers, so you would put United States in the business location. And also, Printify only allows products that are shipped from the United States to be integrated with Amazon. You can still ship internationally, but the business has to be in the United States. The next step is to enter in the business type. If you have a registered business with the business ID number, this is where you will enter that in. If you don't have a registered business, you can choose individual seller. This next step is pretty simple. You just enter in all of your primary contact personal information. Make sure that all of your information that you enter is the exact same on your ID or your passport because it will hinder the verification process if it isn't. After you enter the seller information, next is to enter your payment information. You will need a valid bank account number, and your bank account name should match the name of the primary contact or the business name that you gave Amazon. Then you would also need your bank statement in order to have verification process completed. And then lastly, you would need your credit or debit card in order to pay the Amazon monthly fee. Once you complete the billing information, next is to enter your store name and your product information. You can choose whatever store name you would like as long as it's approved by Amazon. Amazon then asks you these three questions. The first one asks, do you have a universal product code for all your products? Printify does not offer a UPC code, so you would click no, and later I will show you how to ask for an exemption for this code. Next, you would be asked, do you have any type of diversity certifications? And you can answer yes or no depending on your situation. And lastly, you're asked, are you the manufacturer or brand owner of these products? And you can answer however you would choose. And that's it. Once your account gets approved by Amazon, you can log into the Amazon seller account, and this is what you'll see next. The last two steps are to enter in your tax information and also pay the fee for your monthly listings. Once your Amazon seller account has been set up, the next important step is to set up the shipping template. To create the shipping template, start by logging into your Amazon seller account. In the top right corner, you'll see the gear icon. Press the gear icon and scroll down until you see shipping settings. After you press shipping settings, this is the screen that you will see. Make sure that your default shipping address is the correct address that you want all of your products to be returned to. After you've verified that your address is the updated address, press shipping templates and then press create new shipping template. When creating a new shipping template, choose a name for the shipping template that will help you remember the product associated with that template. Let's say you sell mugs or notebooks. You could name it Standard Mug Template or Standard Notebook Template. And also, make sure the rate model selected is per item / weight based. Amazon shipping rates include two fees, the per item order shipping rate fee and the per order / per weight shipping rate fee. For Printify, you will enter in the per order and the per item shipping rate fee. In order to find the shipping rates from Printify, you will head on over to their shipping rates page and search for whatever manufacturer that you use for each product and use those shipping rates provided by Printify. In order to not overcharge your customer on the shipping rates, you will have to subtract the per order fee from the per item fee and enter that into the per order section, and then enter the regular per item fee into the section. For example, if the per order fee is $8 and the per item fee is $2, you will subtract the $2 from the $8 and put $6 into the per order fee section, but still put $2 into the per item fee section. So that way your customer will still be charged the $8 in total and they won't be overcharged for their shipping rate. Printify does offer the expedited shipping. You would just need to change the transit time to 3 to 5 business days. Then for the shipping rate, you would do the exact same thing but using the expedited shipping provided for you on the shipping rates page of Printify. Unfortunately, the 2-day shipping option is not available at the moment, so you would need to uncheck that option. If you would like to do international shipping, it is possible. You just have to make sure your transit time says 14 to 28 days, and you can still use the shipping rates provided for you by Printify. Just make sure you're using the international rates when you enter them into your section. Once you have all your information entered, press save and you'll be done creating your shipping template. Before we continue, let's do a quick recap. We created a Printify and Amazon seller account. We created a shipping template for the Amazon seller account. And now the last step before we integrate your Printify account with your Amazon account is to request a GTIN/UPC exemption. To request an exemption for your product, you would log on into your Amazon seller account and go to Add Products. Once you press Add Products, this is the screen you will see. Scroll over until you see Blank Form and press that button. Here you will enter in the item name. Let's say you were selling the Leaf Print Tough phone case. Amazon will then generate the product type for that item. If you agree, you would press Confirm. Once you confirm the product type, this is the next screen that you would see. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and select This product does not have a brand name and I don't have a product ID. After you save that information, this will be the next pop-up that you see. Once you press acknowledge, you don't have to complete the listing. Your product has been approved for the exemption, so now you can list any of those type of products. Let's say you listed the phone case. Now you should be able to list any phone case without having to do another exemption form for that case. You will, however, have to come back and complete another exemption form for every other product type that you sell. Now that we have everything set up, we can integrate our Printify store with Amazon. Log on onto your Printify store website and choose Manage Stores from the menu dropdown. Once you select Manage Stores, this will be the next screen that you see. Now you can choose the Amazon sales channel and begin integration. Once you choose the Amazon sales channel, you will then be asked to enter in your Amazon seller information. Then you have to authorize the integration process. Once you've authorized the integration, you will then be asked to request the GTIN exemption form. But since you already have done it, you can just check that I have requested the GTIN exemption and then press complete setup. And that's it. You successfully integrated Printify with Amazon. Now you can start selling your custom products on one of the world's largest marketplaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy selling.